In today's digital age, safeguarding your data is crucial. Whether it's precious photos, important documents, or work projects, a solid backup strategy keeps your files safe. Start by identifying what data is essential for you. Think about work files, cherished memories, and anything else you wouldn't want to lose. Next, choose how you want to back up your data. Cloud storage offers remote access, while local storage gives you physical control over your files. Let's make things easier. Setting up automatic backups minimizes the stress of remembering to back up periodically. Create a backup schedule that works for you. Regularly backing up your data can save you from unexpected disasters. Implementing versioning allows you to keep track of changes and revert to previous versions if needed, which is essential for protecting against accidental overwrites. Don't forget to test your backups. Regularly check that files can be restored successfully to ensure your data is truly safe. Best practices for security involve keeping backups in secure locations, both physically and digitally, to protect against loss or theft. To wrap it up, remember these key steps for backing up your data. Your future self will thank you for keeping your files safe.